Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The project title is Predictive of a High Risk Cardio Arrhythmia based on that optimized deep active learning. Our project abstract is identification and then reduction for the potential for developing cardiovascular disease. CVD is a healthy individually to that vital aspect to the disease management. The assessment to the comparative health data on the CVD currently available within the hospital database hold to the significant potential for the yearly detection and diagnosis of the CVD. CVD means cardiovascular disease basis, thereby positively impacting disease outcome. Therefore, to the incorporate to the machine learning method hold to the significant promise to that achieved of the clinical practice for the management of the cardiovascular disease by providing to that a mean to develop evidence based on the clinical guidance and management algorithm. These techniques are the eliminated to the need of costly and then clinical and laboratory method, reducing to the associated to the financial burden on the patients to the healthcare system in order to the optimize yearly prediction and the interventions of the CVD. These studies propose to the development of the novel, robust, effective, and efficient machine learning algorithm, specifically designed to the automatic selection of the key features and then detection for the early stage heart disease. The proposed CAT booster model to yield on the F1 score about 92.3 percentage and average accuracy for the 90.94 percentage. Therefore, is compared to that many other existing state approach to successfully achieved and then maximized classification and performance with the high percentage of the accuracy and precision. Our project flowchart is first we can start with the Anaconda Navigator Spider tool. Start to the tool wise. First we can load to the two data set. One is the image data set, another one is the image corresponding for the predict for the cardiovascular means. So that is the detail for the CSV files. So the features we have enter data. So after that we can move on to the image or data means we are cleaning. So cleaning means image means we are using three steps. Image noise removal, resize and the normalization method. So data means we are moving to that missing values and label encoding and unnecessary row and column will be removed. So three parts we can move on to the data pre-processing. Image means three steps. After that we can split to that image data set as well as to the data splitting the 80% of training and 20% of testing model. After applying to the classification model, so we have predicted to the cardiovascular disease is detected or not detected, we have check it out. So that one we are applying to that ML and DL algorithm. So DL algorithm we are applying to the density 121 algorithm. That algorithm wise we have trained and then we have improved to the accuracy model and predict to that cardiovascular disease will be detected or not. So once will be detected means after to that data app will be open, so user enter to the details, automatically enter to the everything details means we can predict to that model. So predict to the model based on that matrix analysis, so accuracy, precision, recall, reference, confusion matrix. These are the matrix we have done it all. So front end we can move on to that Anaconda Navigator Spider tool, and back end front end move on to that streamlet wise, and back end move on to the Anaconda Navigator Spider tool based on the Python languages. So project execution based. So first we can start with that Anaconda Navigator, and so this is a home page. So first we can register. So after to the login, so already we have registered, so we have entered to the login data. So login it. welcome to that our model. So next page will be open. So admin means admin enter to the user ID password, who are that register to the part you will be check. So that is the admin 1 2 3. So totally 2 patients are the register will be showing. So this is a home page, and after to the login data we have entered to the any image. So it predicted to that which one is a cardiovascular disease will be detected or not. So we can upload to the image data, and then after to that these are the cardiovascular disease will be detected, and segmentation to the region, and then prediction will be cardiovascular will be displayed in the audio. So you have clicked to that run data.app.py. So this is it. First we have entered to the age details, and then general for that female or male. So after to the chest pain there, so we have entering to the blood pressure level, and then cholesterol level, and then after to that sugar level part, and then maximum heart rate achieved. So exercise scenario, and then after to that if that any major vascular will be there or not, we have check it out. So we have entered to the predict data. So if you have the no heart disease will be occur. So for example the age will be high, and these are the category there. So we have predicted means, so the disease will be detected for the person consult with the doctor immediately. So these are the prediction for the heart cardiovascular disease will be affected. After that we have checked now. Thank you.